Hello and welcome to the English Lovers by Handy. In this video, we are going to look at how to use the additive connectors. Obviously, we have already started the series of connectors. Then why these connectors are important? Because when we say a point, to add one more point to that, like to say something more about the same point or to add some information to the given point, we use additive connectors. Like it is to be used, like from the word itself it is clear, like additive means which will add something to the meaning of the previous statement. Okay, so in addition, when we add something to the meaning of the previous statement, we use the additive connectors. So to talk about these additive connectors, what are the different additive connectors in English, grammar? Okay, we see these connectors used to come in a life from the beginning of the parts of speech, but we never used to realize that these are there and we use them. Okay, so what are those different connectors? Let's talk about those. Okay, first of all, first comes the further, or we say furthermore. Okay, furthermore can be used separately or a different way, in a different manner. Further can be used separately by putting a comma after that one, and we can write the next information after it. Okay, now then thereafter we have moreover, we have in addition, or we can say to add, or what is more about, or in a sense when we want to say that to add to the point, and many more ways are there to actually add to the previous statement. Okay, and is very general one. Okay, that we use to say something in addition, or as well as can be used also. Additive connectors are the one of the categories of the coordinating conjunctions. Okay, so these connectors would be used in a sense like we want to add something to the meaning of the previous statement. Let's take one example out of these. Okay, we'll use any of these in the statement. Let's write that statement so that you will be able to understand, you will be able to grasp it. Okay, you see, if I say something like as a point, okay, like mobile phones are helpful to study. Okay, helpful to study different subjects. Okay, now we have said that mobile phones are helpful to study different subject. During the lockdown, we can write also during the lockdown. Okay, and then we can put the semicolon here. We can add the connector thereafter. Okay, putting a semicolon because something interrelated we are going to say, so that's why we can use the connector over there. Moreover, now this information is going to add something to the previous information. Here we have said that mobile phones are helpful to study different subjects during the lockdown. Moreover, teachers also got aware of the benefits of Zoom to be used on phone. to be used on a mobile phone. Okay, something additional to the previous information. Somehow, the statement would be looking awkward, but I would say that it is the exact way. So you see, mobile phones are helpful to study different subjects during the lockdown. We got to know, okay, and then moreover, teachers, okay, also got aware of the benefits of Zoom app to be used on the mobile phone. Okay, like they got to know something more about the app also. So additional information about the use of the mobile phones and something related to the mobile phone has been said, and we added a point about it. So suppose we want to use furthermore, we can use furthermore. Okay, here we can use furthermore also. Okay, furthermore. Okay, or in case we want to use we want to use here in place of furthermore, we want to use what is more. Okay, then put a comma, and then thereafter teachers also then also got aware of that one. Okay, then we can use additionally also. Okay, but the idea that you need to keep in your brain in your mind is all those connectors which I mentioned earlier can be used in this manner only. Okay, various other ways are there that we can use them, but basically the meaning of using the additive connector is that one, we are going to use it to actually channelize the knowledge of one point with the other one, and we are going to add something to the main point, and additional information would be given in that particular point. Okay, that's what we do to lengthen up our statement, and we try to write the complex statements also, okay, by using the connectors. Okay, if we are using the connectors, and definitely our thing that we have written, whatever formation of sentences we have written, used to look cohesive as well as coherent, or we can say that in a sense, but both are different words, let me tell you. Okay, looks coherent, like interrelated, and even interwoven it looks like. So there is no nothing wrong about it. There is, this is the right way to use the additive connector, and hope so that this must have been helpful video for learning about how to use the additive connectors in essay writing, even in speaking, even in the way you see everything around in the writing form. You must see that so many connectors are getting used even in the newspapers. Just check out in the newspaper how the additive connectors have been used. Okay, so that is your work to be done by yourself. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye. I would say that just hit on the like button in case you like the video, and hit the bell icon for the new updates of the videos. It's Honeydee, English Lovers by me, English Lovers by Honeydee. Thank you very much, and I would say goodbye. Take care.